So it's still Friday, June 15th, 2012. And there's a guy sleeping in that expedition right there. Anyway, I am on my way home. I just had some lovely Vietnamese food after picking up my car, which was in the shop, getting its coolant hose fixed and coolant refilled and coolant this, that, and the other green shit. So anyway, look at that standoff. Do I want to? No. You race through there because that's what you're doing, racing away, not using your signals. Oh, that felt nice. Got a little food coma action coming up. Hey assholes, why don't you try staying on that side of the fucking yellow, huh? Stay on that side of the fucking yellow. Thank you. That side of the fucking yellow. Look, shitheads. There's a yellow line there. Stay that way. Thank you. Look at that traffic. Look at all this red. Look at this. Oh, this is excellently stupid. I just spent close to $300 to make it so I can continue playing this stupid game we call traffic. You don't know where you're going? Neither does anyone else. And you want to go southbound and sit on that parking lot? You are in the wrong freaking lane. Yay for random dumpers. Oh look, it's that mobile home. Oh, there's just a lot that look like that sheep-ass looking thing.
thanks to Fergie for the last 120 minutes. This is the Essential Mix with me, Pete Tong. And tonight we host one of the UK's most exciting music collectives, comprising of, wait for it, 9 members. They're stalwarts, nay pioneers of the small but perfectly formed broken beat scene. Their seminal release on Bittersweet and their legendary co-op parties have won them a dedicated fan base, as well as remix appointments with Macy Gray, 07, Nitin Sawhney and Amy Winehouse. They release a greatest remix collection this month, and next year sees a white-hot debut album hit the streets featuring the essential new tune from a couple of weeks ago, Bootsy La La. Sounding like a meeting of the Basement Jacks, Bootsy Collins, and dare we say, the Neptunes. There you go, I said it.